Okay, Casino McCool brought up a complaint that I had thought about, but that okay, if you use some strange coordinate systems, if you talk in units of root two or use logarithmic systems, there's things you can do to make the numbers of these coordinate systems non-rational, but you've just hidden the irrationality in functions that generate a lot of irrationality and irrational numbers and rely on them. So, I mean, the thing is, I admit that one problem with what I've said is that pretend that we lived in this mathematical world, and yet I've changed the mathematical world by putting us in it, because in our minds, we have cognitive functions that require time. If we had some weird mathematical mind that could conceive of an infinite series all at once, like we pretend to do in mathematics, fine, but our actual human mind can't do that sort of thing. And just telling me the name of the number, it's like, I'm saying if I was in a mathematical universe and I had a square with an inscribed circle and I'm trying to calculate pi by measuring it, I could never get the number pi. So I'm applying an empirical kind of model within a mathematical frame that, yes, we don't think of as having an empirical model. So that's part of the thought experiment. But the real fact is that you want to say you have root 2 and you have the number understood just by calling it root 2. So you can say your coordinate would be, root 2 comma 1, and as if that would be a real number for us that we could understand. And I say no, because that's as if I was to claim that I could tell you exactly every detail in a given building, and you say, okay, give it to me, and I say, yeah, the Empire State Building. There you go. That's the infinite detail. The Empire State Building is a word that means every detail of the Empire State Building, and so I've told you every detail of the Empire State Building by giving you its name.